Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, no, that's really good. Okay, like they make me gag. I just drove around for like 4 hours. Does it look dumb if they're not centered? It looks so dumb. Oh, wait, why is that cute? This is it. This is the best. What's up, guys? Today I am doing a little vlog. I don't know exactly what's on the agenda, but I do know this is a very fall related vlog. I'm about to go to Starbucks and get 3 different drinks that were all recommended by you guys over on my Instagram. So we're starting this off with like a little fall Starbucks drink taste test. And then I think I want to go pick up some pumpkins. I'm not entirely sure why. I just think that my dad needs them on the porch. My dad is gonna be like, why did you buy pumpkins? And then I also want to go find an area where the trees are kind of starting to turn colors and take some fall Instagram pictures. But yeah, let's go to Starbucks. Hi, can I do a tall iced chai with 2 pumps chai, 2 pumps of pumpkin, and then pumpkin cold foam?
Yeah, anything else?
Yes, I'm also gonna do a tall brown sugar oat shaken espresso with pumpkin cream cold foam.
Anything else?
Just a hot pumpkin spice latte.
Perfect. So today's $19.04.
Thank you. I'm excited. Hi. That's exactly, I never return stuff online, but I need to. But
Yeah, like, yeah, you just end up donating it or something.
yeah.
Was the chai hot or iced today?
Iced. Okay, this is so awkward. I'm not really sure how to go about this. There was kind of some issues that we had along the way. First of all, they gave me 4 drinks. I ordered 3. They made the chai first. They made it hot, so they gave me the hot one as well to try. Okay, so this is the first one. Not really sure what it is. Wait, there's no labels on them. Okay, wait, let me try to figure it out. Oh, I'll be able to tell. Okay, so these are the 2 cold drinks. This is the oat shaken. I forgot what I ordered. This one right here is the brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso with pumpkin cold foam on it. Here she is. Okay, quickly popping in here, but I swear it's not annoying. It's actually extremely helpful for you guys. As I'm filming this little portion right now, it's actually been about a week since I filmed the original vlog that you're watching. And since filming this vlog, I actually already posted the Instagram pictures that I'm going to take later on in the video. When you get to that point, it'll all make sense. But basically, everybody on my Instagram is asking where the heck I got the pants that I'm wearing in this video. I do most of my shopping online now, and I actually use Opera browser. If you don't know, Opera is a free web browser and it has a ton of cool features, which is why it is my personal favorite browser to use. You can experience faster, restriction-free browsing with Opera's built-in VPN. The coolest thing about it to me is the way that the whole thing is set up. There's a little sidebar, and that allows you to chat with friends, listen to music, even like log into Instagram, play videos in the background while you're browsing. I've never seen any other browser allow you to do something like that, so I just think that's really cool. Okay, let me get to my point. The pants are from Urban Outfitters, but I love Opera because I can stay super organized with pin boards while I'm online shopping. Pin boards allow you to save content from the web and share it visually. I actually have a pin board linked in the description that I made specifically for you guys. It has all of the clothing that I constantly get asked about on there. So I'm talking about the urban pants, I'm talking about different tops that people ask about, I'm talking about different sweaters, sweatpants, sweatshirts. I am trying to link all of my most popular clothing items on there so you guys have a super easy way to access everything. Check out the links below to download Opera, and then also check out my pin board so you guys can shop any of my favorite clothing. Thank you so much to Opera for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back to the vlog. That's pretty good. Yeah, no, that's really good. Okay, it just took me a second to like get used to it and get past like the cold foam because like it's so pumpkin-y. But once you get not just the cold foam in your sip, then it's actually really good. Okay, and then this one is the chai, I believe. This literally tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. That's what she said it was gonna taste like. It tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. I also have the pumpkin cold foam on top. This one's really good. This is the pumpkin spice latte, and this is the hot chai that they gave me on accident. I'm gonna try the chai one first. I hope it's not scorching hot. I hate hot coffee just because of how hot it is right when you get it, and then like you literally can't drink it for 10 minutes. The lighting in here is terrible right now. That's good. That's really good. That's really good. Now let's try the pumpkin spice latte. A fun fact about me is I've never had a hot pumpkin spice latte. It's literally like the most basic drink you could possibly get. But I've only ever had iced pumpkin spice lattes because I never really was like an iced or a hot coffee girl. Oh, that's hot. Oh my god, these were all a win. If you are looking for pumpkin drinks for this fall, get one of these. This is it. This is the best. I'm really not sure what to do with these drinks though. I don't want to throw them away, but I literally can't drive with all of these drinks. They're gonna spill. I am absolutely downing these and I'm not even like mad about it. Like they're all really good. I said that I wanted to go take an Instagram picture and I do, but I'm really struggling with where I should go because most of the trees are still green. My vision for these pictures is kind of on like one of those older looking roads with like the huge trees in the front yard lining like the street. Whenever I think of this type of street, I think of just my grandma's house because it's like older houses that have been there for a while and then just like huge trees in the front yard. So I want to find a street like that, but I don't really know where there is one in this town. I think I might just drive until I find something, but the issue is I don't want to just drive with 4 coffees that are going to spill on me at any moment. Does this seem stable? I am literally not lying when I say to you, I just drove around for almost an entire hour and could not find a single place to take a picture by myself that would like look good. If I had somebody else with me, it would be a lot easier to find somewhere, but since I have to like set up my tripod and like take it myself, I'm really limited with like angles and stuff like that. Moral of the story is I cannot find a single spot, so I'm literally gonna take a picture in my car. So I parked with like these little trees behind me. Why? Literally, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god, I'm literally in like a dead end that like you literally can't get anywhere. What was the point of that, babe? What the shit? That was weird. Okay. Oh, wait, why is that cute? This is the first one I clicked on. Isn't that kind of cute? I look good. I don't like love the background and stuff, but it's cute. I will post those. Okay, so literally like 4 seconds away from where I just took those pictures, there's this little like parking lot, pumpkin, sweet corn stand thing. I don't know if you can see, but they just have like pumpkins and stuff. But how do I like do that? Do I just walk over there and start grabbing pumpkins? There's a sign over there that says if there isn't an attendant, like if there isn't somebody working there, then you just like pay using the cash box and just like hope that people are being like good people. I unfortunately don't have cash. I can't buy a pumpkin. I really wanted to though. Where else can I get a pumpkin? They sell pumpkins at like the grocery store. I'm in the Subway parking lot. I wonder if they have an ATM in there. I'm not sure what I'm doing right now, to be honest. Ow, fuck. This is so funny. Oh, this pumpkin's kind of heavy. My dad is gonna be like, why did you buy pumpkins? Please tell me. I'm not sure, Dad. Should I put them here? Or, no, I'll put them. Does it look dumb, like, with 2 pumpkins only? Oh, I'm gonna drop it. Okay. Does it look dumb if they're not centered? It looks so dumb. I have no idea what I've done all day. I just drove around for like 4 hours and all that I got out of it was an Instagram picture and 2 pumpkins and hella Starbucks drinks and a stomach ache. I didn't realize during this video, like looking back on it, that I had a stomach ache while I was filming it. Do you notice how I grabbed my left upper abdomen? Do you know what organ lays there? Your pancreas. Yes, your pancreas lays in your left upper abdomen. Little did I know filming this that in a few days I would be landed in the ER with pancreatitis. Look at this guy. Bruh. Oh my god. Yeah, I have pancreatitis right now. That's kind of why I missed last week's upload. I have been on my deathbed. I'm feeling better now. I'm doing better. But yeah, that little stomach ache wasn't such a little stomach ache. I literally, like, I just don't know what my life has become. I have some leftover Chick-fil-A nuggets in the fridge right now, and I'm going to heat them up. Hi guys, I ate my leftover chicken nuggets and now I'm in my room. I'm going to clean up a little bit. My room really isn't that messy, but there's just like some stuff laying around. And then after that, I have some editing I have to get done, and then I'll probably hang out with my boyfriend or something. But I'm like exhausted, and I don't know why, because I drank like 6 coffees.
Babe, it's because you literally have pancreatitis and you're drinking 6 coffees. That's your issue. And eating chicken nuggets afterwards, that's your issue.
This is what my brain looks like right now. Room is clean. It's currently Saturday, and if you don't know, I upload every single Sunday, so subscribe if you want to see my videos every single Sunday and turn on those post notifications. I just have like probably 20 minutes more of going over this video, and then I need to do the thumbnail. It goes everywhere. It's like all over the top of my vanity. I'm not exactly sure how long it's been since I talked to you last or like started editing, but it's been a while. It's currently 6:30. I didn't really intend for this to be like a whole weekend vlog, but I guess this is gonna be a 2-day vlog, and I will see you guys in the morning and we will have a fun little Sunday together. Oh, my stomach. I'm so tired. Welcome back. Welcome back. I mean, not necessarily. Welcome back for me. It is day 2 of this vlog. I do not need this on. Right now, I'm going to get some food for breakfast at 11. What time is it? Oh, it's 12. Had a little late start to my day, but I'm up. I'm Adam. We're gonna go get smoothie bowl. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get a smoothie bowl, and then I'm going to try to find another place to take Instagram pictures. I want to get like fall pictures before it's like completely fall and actually cold out. Okay, I'm really gonna try not to talk too much while I'm driving because I know the audio sounds terrible. I want to say that... What was I gonna say? Okay, I'm holding my camera because it kept like sliding around my dashboard, and I feel like the audio might not be as terrible if I hold it. What did I do this morning? I woke up at like 10, and then I took a shower, I washed my hair, blow dried my hair. There we go. Did my makeup, got dressed, and now we're here. I got my smoothie bowl. I'm gonna go try to find a table. I think I might know where one is, but we'll just see. This is literally like gonna be melted. I'm so sad. I literally cannot find a single place, like a single table that's cute.
I don't know why I didn't explain this, but I was trying to find a cute table to take Instagram pictures at. Like set my smoothie bowl down, sit down, put my little tripod up, take a picture. I wasn't just trying to find a cute table to eat at. I was trying to take a picture. So I didn't clarify. I just parked somewhere and I'm gonna eat my bowl because it's literally melted at this point. I'm so mad. Just ate my smoothie bowl, parked like 10 feet that way. And then I decided I don't have the energy to go searching for a new place to take Instagram pictures, so I'm gonna take them right here. I'm like at this apartment building, and I think I'm literally just gonna set my tripod on my hood and then like stand in front of this wall. Okay, I probably just took like, oh, why is it so damn dark? I probably just took like 300 pictures, and I bet none of them look good. My mom is currently gone watching the football game somewhere, so I came over here to let my puppies out and play with them for a little bit. And then I'm gonna go back over to my dad's and do some homework, I think. Hi! Hi, guys. I love you. I found some Tums, so I think I'm gonna take 2 of these. Little fun fact about me, I have been scared of Tums since I was like a little girl. I literally hate them. All I can think about when I'm eating a Tums is like the chalkiness of it, and it just feels like I'm eating chalk. I've probably only taken 8 Tums in my entire life, so when you see me taking a Tums, you know my stomach hurts like a... Yeah. It's not a normal tummy ache, girl. Go to the hospital.
Like, they make me gag. Like, what is that?